The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2024 Toyota Tacoma Short Bed with the Retrax PRO XR cover. If you want to see a video of just the cover, we'll link to that in the description below. But here we have the Rhino-Rack Vortex Aero RLT600 base rack system. This is using the 65-inch long Aero crossbar. We do have a video of the 59-inch crossbars fitted that barely work, so if you want a tighter fit, check out that video. We'll link to it below. But here the RLT600 has a quick release feature. Locks are included. The bars are adjustable along the length of the cover, so if you need it closer or further apart, you put them as needed. The bars themselves are an extruded aluminum bar with a C-channel or T-track on the top, and of course you can still clamp accessories around the bar. So a pretty versatile bar with up to 220-pound carrying capacity. If you do want something a little bit more rigid than these Vortex bars, I would check out the Reconn-Deck bar. It's a new bar from Rhino-Rack. It's more material in it. It's much more substantial. Definitely would be a great option for rooftop tents. Even has T-channels on the top, sides, and bottom for mounting more accessories. In addition to the parts we've already mentioned, this system does have a spacer included, and that's to help clear that handle going underneath the bars, so without any worries of it catching or hitting the bar. It can be used without the spacer, but then you have to fold the handle down every time you are passing through. So just a great option to have already there and worry-free. So if you want to purchase this complete system without missing any parts, please visit the link in the description below. But that's going to be it for this one. And like always, thanks for watching.